This website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at the Hague University of Applied Sciences by Darko Jovanovic. This company is not related to any entity businesses. This is my website, Aikido Sushi. I've chosen this particular design to display on my homepage when people come to this site. At first, the logo for my website and my company, who the main chef is. Below, the easy option for menu order online. Then just the little part about the chef, possibility book your table, and then the gallery of the restaurant, the sushi, and everything you will be able to see there. By choosing this design, I want everybody to see, to create a little bit more engagement every time they scroll. Up here you have about, menu, reservation, contact, and order online, the basics for navigating my website. These also are the features. If you go there, you are able to see the menu. As you can see here you can make your reservations. Here you have the contact information, and here is the order online part. As you can see, it will go now to the contact. And this is my website for Aikido Sushi.